My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You Ford lovers are going to really like this one. It's a 32 Ford Roadster, and it's all Ford running gear. No Chevy motors here. It's a premium Westcott reproduction body. It's got a lift-off top, rumble seat, got a lot of cool fun features. If you visit volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars that are for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, top's down, rumble seats open. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, isn't that a cool looking car? Can't beat a 32 Roadster. I like the full fendered car too. You don't have the dirt and whatever flying up from the tires. But anyway, I'll start underneath. That's typically what I do. It has a real 1932 Ford frame under it. It's been reinforced. Up front, it has a Mustang 2 front independent suspension with QA1 coil-over adjustable shocks, rack and pinion steering, and it all looks new. The bushings, ball joints, tie rod ends, it all looks new. In the back, it has parallel leaf springs with lowering blocks. It has new shocks. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. It has a C4 automatic Ford transmission and a Ford 8-inch rear end in the back. Looks like Flowmaster mufflers, and from the muffler back, it's all stainless steel, and it flares out at the back here. It's got disc brakes in front. So underneath the car is very well built, respectable, proper, clean. Now Westcott, they make a really good body. It has all the original details, looks just like an authentic original car. This one has the original style hinges, door handles. This even has a cowl that opens up, which is very unusual for a reproduction car to have the working cowl. Also has the chrome windshield. It's chopped, but the windshield folds down or it opens up. Also has an electric wiper motor there too. Up front, it's got some nice headlights, nice headlight bar with the V8 emblem, stainless steel spreader bar they call that. See some stainless hardware. The hood, front fenders and grille, this is all metal up here. It's all metal. Got just your basic black wheels with the smoothie hubcap. Looks like BF Goodrich tires. Now the motor is a 351 Windsor. Very nice looking. It's not over the top. This is a driver. It's got some nice valve covers polished up, overflow tubes polished. Front of the motor's got a lot of billet brackets and pulleys and chrome alternator. It has air conditioning and heat. The compressor is chrome plated. Got running boards you can stand on. You don't have to be afraid when they're all painted. Oh, don't touch the running boards, but you can step on those. Speaking of steps, you step right up on into the mother-in-law seat right there. Lots of fun riding back here. Got seat belts. Original style tail lights. They are LED bulbs. I do see a couple touch-ups right over here. Paint's beautiful. I'm going to say it's gorgeous. I'm sure if I looked hard, there's a nick or something touched up. But overall, it's a sharp-looking paint job. So, it's called Soft Touch Upholstery. It looks really high-end. I think this is what sold me on the car. And it has the stainless steel eyelets, red stitching. The battery's back here. It's upholstered in a box, and it's all carpeted real nice. There is a third brake light built in. Front seat is all new, cushioned. It's nice and firm and tight. Door panels, all the side panels, whole kit. It's an upholstery kit, really nice looking. I think this is a 1940 Ford style steering wheel. Excuse me. It's on a tilt column. You got some vintage Stewart Warner gauges, a matched set. And again, it is heat and air conditioned. The controls are very simple. They're right here. Looks like it has an emergency brake on the floor. Cowl vent opens, like I said. Modern stereo. So it's a fun little ride. It's got a Walker radiator, big chromed electric fan. I see a chrome fuel pump. All the plug wires are run neatly. It's an aluminum Edelbrock intake. Looks like an MSD distributor. Giant Holley carb. Got a huge Holley carb on there. This hardtop right here, this is a lift-off hardtop, and it does have side curtains. So you got heat, you got air, you got side windows. I'm not going to say you're going to go drive this through a hurricane or drive it through the winter, but it does offer you some good amount of protection. So why don't we fire it up? I love the rumble seat open, but let me show you what it looks like closed. I am going to open it again because that's the way I like it. I might as well get all the way in, see how I fit. No problem at all. I fit comfortable in this car. Got wing windows. That tilt wheel for getting in and out a little easier. Believe it or not, when you open that cowl, it lets a lot of fresh air in. But with no top on it, you don't really need that anyway. But so there you have it. There's my honest impression of this car. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They can answer specific concerns or questions you might have. They'll also help with the financing, delivery, paperwork. They'll make that real easy. So visit volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.